Hello, I am Chris Menard. Welcome to my channel. This video is going to blow you away. It is AI in Excel. It is called Formula by Example. It has not come out yet to everyone. In fact, it's only available on Excel for the web. It is not even in the desktop version. So let's go ahead and dive in right now. So before I pop over to the web and show you the formula by example, this is just a great refresher. Flash Fill, which everyone has, including the desktop version, is a great feature for everyone to use. If I insert a column here, notice my reps in column C are first name and last name. So I can't sort by last name. So I could come in here and start breaking out the names. I got 3, Control E, and look, it picked up the names in case you're wondering. Why in the world was it Control E? Data tab, Flash Fill, and it says the keyboard shortcut, Control E. And then I could come in here and do the last name. I'll just do it real quick. It is important that when you're typing in these names, you type them with the correct capitalization. So notice my Davis has a capital D. Let's do a Control E there, and then I always like to check them. The issue with Flash Fill is it's static. If I made a mistake here and say, you know what, that was Carol Jones, notice D and E still says Mark Davis. So let's pop over to the web and look at Formula by Example. All right, I'm over in the web. I got multiple examples of this. Here we go again with the full names. I'm going to do first name. I'm going to do last name. Make sure that this is set up as a table and not a range. So if you notice when I'm in here, it says table design, which tells me it's a table. To create the table, I went to insert and clicked on table. It said, do you have a header row? And I said yes. So now I'm going to start typing out some first names. Notice that Janet Davis in A3 has got a little J, but I want it with a cap right there. There is my formula by example. Fill cells with this formula. Well, what formula? Click on Show Formula. Look at that. It is using the left function. It is using the find function, and it is subtracting 1 because it's looking for a space and subtracting 1. So it found that space between Chris Menard. It subtracted 1. But it is throwing in the proper function, which will capitalize the first letter of Janet. And I'm like, yeah, use it. Apply. Look up in my formula bar. There is Formula by Example. Come in here and type another name. Tab over. This is why this is such a great feature. So there's some AI in Formula by Example. Let's go ahead and do the last name. What's interesting about this is this function in real life is going to use the right function, but it is a lot more complex. There you go. Let's hit Show Formula. There's my right function referencing my table, the len function right there. Again, with the find function, another great feature, hit Apply. Now, someone asked me this earlier when I was at the EA Ignite conference speaking about AI in Microsoft 365. Can you edit this formula? Absolutely. So if for some reason the last names didn't pick up the proper function and I don't have any small letters, it would. Let's see if I can't edit this and fix it. Let's change this to Wilson. Let me do another one. Put a letter E. So Wilson. Let me go fix that other small letter. There you go. It popped up again because it realized I'm changing the small letter to a capital letter, so Show Formula. It threw proper in here even after the fact. But what I want to be clear about is I'm going to hit Apply. I could have added proper up in the formula bar myself, so you can edit what it is doing. Great, great, great feature right there. Let's do another one. So it took care of some text. I'm over here now with the math problem. I've got products running down column A. I got units. I got price. Let's make it a table. So insert table. Click OK. It is a table. If you don't like the look of it, change it. No big deal. Unit times price is going to be total. And I'm doing this in my head. 2 times 6 is 12. 4 times 3 is 12. 2 times 9 is 18. It's taking care of the math for me. Show formula, and it is taking the units and it's multiplying it times the price. Hit apply. Perfect. Formula by example. Real quick test. I know I misspelled product, by the way. I'm not going to fix it. Product 34, I don't care. Let's do 15. We should get 150, and there we go. One more, last one. I'm over here now. We've done text. We've done numbers with multiplication or math. Let's do dates. We're always dealing with dates. This again was a question I asked at the EA Ignite concert. I came in here and said, okay, that's 11. That is 12. 1. 4. 5. And I notice it's not picking it up, but it doesn't have the correct format. So let's highlight this, delete. Came in here and said, no, make this general. Now let's give it a shot. 11, 12. Got it. Show formula. Using the month function to extract the month, hit apply. Perfect. So I just had to change the formatting on that one. But then someone at EA Ignite said, Chris, I want to see that month spelled out. And then my question was, do you want it NOV for November, 3 letters? August would be AUG. Or do you want November actually all the way out? They said they want to see it all the way spelled out. November, December. It's amazing. It got it. Show formula. So now it is throwing in the text function along with 4 M's. The 4 M's means show me the month spelled out. 3 M's would have been December is DEC. January would have been JAN for the M's, but this looks good. That's what they wanted to apply. Perfect. Last one, let's do the year. Again, just make sure the correct number format is applied. 2023, 2023, 2022. Looking good. I'm going to assume that they use the year function. Oh, I didn't check. We can look up here in the formula bar. Yes, they use the year function. This is some great AI in Excel. Again, it's on the web, but it'll be at the desktop. I don't know when. Feel free to throw a comment in there and ask me when, and I'm going to reply and say, I don't know when. All right. Feel free to subscribe, ring the bell, do throw your comments down below, and I will answer them. I appreciate your time. Have a great day. Thank you.